What's up everyone, and welcome to this channel. So in this video I'll be showing you top trending best builds out there. Okay, so all you have to do is to do what? Make sure you sit down and watch this video from the beginning to the end, so as I'll be showing you the builds. And one thing you have to know that these builds are working perfectly well. All of them are working perfectly well. So the first thing to do if you want to have any build on your device is, first of all, you have to go to settings, click on it, and then go down to systems. And then when you get to the systems menu, now at this point click on add-ons, and then once you click on add-ons, navigate to your right and then click on unknown sources. Then make sure you enable this. Once you enable this, click yes, and then go step back. Once you get here, then click on file manager and then add source, and then click on none. And then here, this is where you're gonna enter the media source file for each of these builds I'm going to show you. So the next video will be showing, this next content you'll be seeing are the top trending builds out there. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end to get any of these builds. And then for the guides on how to install them on your device, check out the comment section or the description section, as I'll be dropping a link on how to have each of these builds on your device, a step-by-step guide for each build. Okay, so the next video shows you all those builds, so stick around and then see you in the next video.